Hey guys, so in this question we need to find out which of the following sets of material can be used for conducting a saponification reaction for the preparation of soap. That is, out of these four given options we need to identify the correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is option B. I'll explain. Since you must know that soaps are sodium or potassium salts of long fatty acids, that is, they are prepared by the reaction of a long chain fatty acid with either NaOH or KOH. And now you can see that neem oil is a long chain fatty acid, so we can just add it with NaOH and we can produce a soap. So the correct answer for this question is, that is, this NaOH plus NaOH plus neem oil.